Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd quickly jump on here. Hopefully this is going to be a super quick video, but I put up some new Insta stories the other day and you guys keep asking how to do it. So I thought the quickest way to show you, because it's hard to explain, is to just quickly make this video so I can direct you to it. So it is basically how to do this, of like, I'd call this like photo layering, but customizable, like in your own way. So this is the ones I put up. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I did it because it's super easy. So I actually only recently discovered this myself, and it's on an app that I have, and I think probably all of you will have because I talk about it all the freaking time. It is on InShot. I'm just going to record my phone screen so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put it here next to me. InShot, open. Right, so what I would do is I would open up video, and then I would choose some kind of background. Obviously choose your own background. It can be video or it can be just a photo. But I used this one and I just zoomed right in, so I cropped out the writing that I did already have on here. Okay, so this is my background. Let me just turn the sound off. So this is my background. It's just like a scratchy kind of video with a grid over the top. Okay, so then what you want to do to add photos, you can only add photos, you can't add video. If you could add video, that would be unbelievable. But you can only add photos. So what you do is you go to sticker here. Here you have stickers, which are all really cool. But you go to this one, photo, and then you just add the freaking thing on. So add the picture, and then what I did is I put that video end, and then I put it like smaller. I put it in this square, like that, and then I moved it a tiny bit, and then I added it again, and then I put it in this square, and then put it to video end, and then I moved it a little bit again. You get the drift. Alright, yeah. Video end, move it a little bit, add picture, and then once you've done it, you get this. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah? And then what I actually did for this is I made this video shorter to say down to 2 seconds. Is that going to be too quick? Hold on. Yeah, and then I saved it, and then I went back in and started a new video, and then I got that video up, and then I made it to Instagram size, and then I actually sped it up because I realised that the burp was a little bit slow. I wanted it a little bit faster than that. So click on it, speed, let's go ×2, that might be too fast. No, that's good. And then I clicked on it, and I copied again, and then I copied again. So we now have 4. So they go or you can reverse it. So this one, if you just have it on that, you can see there's 4 there. Click on it and then just go to reverse, and then reverse that clip, and then go to the end one and reverse, and then it will go you know. So that's how I did that. You could also add a transition if you wanted, but I didn't choose to because I think it didn't really work, if I remember rightly. Let's try. Yeah, it doesn't really work. So I didn't do transitions. I actually took clothes off. Should have done that for all. So that's how I did it. So easy. You can also do it by, let me just discard that. The other one I did was when I layered them on top of each other, but you would do it in the exact same way. So this one here where I layered them, I literally have just added the photo over and over as a sticker and just put them variations across the page to get that effect. There is a car alarm going off right now. So good job, I have finished explaining how to do it. So that is how easy it is to do the layered photo effect on Insta Stories. Super customizable. You know how I feel about it being super customizable because it just means you can be yourself, which I highly recommend. So that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.